How's it going? So, yeah, don't buy any plastic part until you try this. Now, this is my first time doing it, so doesn't look the best, but it is holding. This is the center console lid to a 2007 GMC Envoy, and that little piece broke off. And one of these pieces, the center console lid, the aftermarket is $100. So before we spend the money on this thing, I figure I'd give plastic welding a try. And it seems to have done well. You can see where I tried to glue it, but that didn't hold, of course, Gorilla Glue. But the plastic weld seems to be holding pretty good. We'll test it out, on the road, of course. And on the other side, I've opened it up and I did it on the other side too. It looks a lot worse because I added a lot of plastic to it. You could take zip ties and use them like solder or weld, just metal weld. And add plastic to when you need it. So it looks to have... Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.